The 2025 Tesla Model Y Juniper is finally here, and this latest iteration of Tesla's best-selling SUV is bringing some serious updates. If you thought the Model Y was already at the top of the EV game, think again. Tesla has fine-tuned nearly every aspect of this electric SUV to make it better, sleeker, and more efficient than ever before, from the outside to the inside, and of course, the cutting-edge performance. This Model Y Juniper refresh is here to shake things up. Exterior starting with the front. The new Model Y Juniper carries a more aggressive and aerodynamic design. Tesla has tweaked the front bumper to improve airflow, giving it a more futuristic look while enhancing efficiency. The headlights have also been redesigned, adopting a sleeker, more angular shape that resembles the refreshed Model 3 Highland. They're not just for looks, either. These new LED matrix lights provide better illumination and improved energy efficiency, which means safer night driving. The Tesla emblem on the front remains minimalistic, blending seamlessly into the overall design. The hood now has slightly more sculpting, creating a more dynamic presence on the road. Every curve and line serves a purpose, enhancing aerodynamics and giving the Model Y Juniper a sharper aesthetic. Moving to the side, the biggest changes in the wheel options. Tesla has introduced new aerodynamic wheels that further enhance efficiency while still maintaining a stylish edge. The side profile of the Model Y remains instantly recognizable, but subtle refinements make it feel more premium. The door handles continue to be flush with the body, reducing drag and keeping that signature Tesla sleekness intact. The side mirrors have been slightly reshaped for better aerodynamics, and there's also an updated trim finish, giving the Juniper a fresher, more high-end look. Tesla has also improved build quality, addressing previous concerns about panel gaps and fitment issues, ensuring a tighter, more refined exterior. At the back, the changes are subtle but effective. The taillights have been completely redesigned, now featuring a more striking LED light signature that gives the Juniper a futuristic appeal, similar to the updated Model 3. The Tesla badge is now replaced with a minimalist Tesla lettering across the trunk, aligning with Tesla's latest branding trends. The rear bumper has also been reshaped slightly, contributing to both aerodynamics and overall aesthetics. There's also an updated rear diffuser, further refining the SUV's efficiency. The liftgate remains power-operated, offering convenient access to the spacious cargo area. The Model Y's signature sloping roofline remains untouched, maintaining that sporty crossover appearance that has made it a favorite among EV buyers. Interior inside, the Model Y Juniper gets a major refresh that aligns with Tesla's latest design language. The dashboard is now wrapped in a more premium, soft-touch material with ambient lighting that adds a futuristic feel. The center console has been refined, now featuring a sleeker design with improved storage options. The infotainment screen remains the heart of the cabin, but Tesla has upgraded it with a higher refresh rate and even better responsiveness. The steering wheel gets a minimalistic redesign, featuring a stockless setup, similar to the refreshed Model S and Model 3 Highland. Tesla has improved seat comfort with better cushioning and more supportive bolstering, making long trips more comfortable than ever. Another major upgrade comes in the form of improved sound insulation. One of the previous complaints about the Model Y was road noise, but Tesla has addressed that with better cabin sealing and improved acoustic glass. The result is a much quieter ride, making the Juniper feel more refined and premium. The rear passengers now get their own dedicated screen, allowing for entertainment and climate control adjustments, a feature trickled down from the Model S and Model X. The overall interior layout remains clean and minimalist, with Tesla's signature approach of reducing physical buttons in favor of an intuitive touchscreen experience. Performance. When it comes to performance, Tesla has managed to squeeze even more efficiency out of the Model Y Juniper. While exact power figures haven't been officially confirmed, the Model Y lineup is expected to retain its dual-motor AWD setup, offering quick acceleration and impressive handling. The long-range variant is expected to deliver over 330 miles of range, thanks to improved battery efficiency and aerodynamic refinements. The performance model, which enthusiasts love, will likely maintain its blistering 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 3.5 seconds, making it one of the quickest SUVs on the market. Tesla's latest battery technology also brings improved charging speeds, allowing the Model Y Juniper to charge even faster at Tesla superchargers. With V4 superchargers rolling out, the Juniper will benefit from peak charging speeds that reduce downtime significantly. Tesla has also enhanced regenerative braking, making energy recovery even more efficient. The suspension has been retuned to offer a better balance between sporty handling and comfort, addressing previous concerns about the Model Y's somewhat stiff ride. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking on twisty roads, the Juniper feels more composed than ever. Pricing for the 2025 Model Y Juniper remains competitive, with the base model expected to start around $48,000, while the long-range variant will likely be in the mid-$50,000 range. The performance model, with all its added power and sportier features, will likely be priced around $60,000. However, Tesla's frequent price adjustments mean these figures could change over time. Federal and state incentives may also bring the cost down, making the Juniper an attractive option for buyers looking to switch to electric. The 2025 Tesla Model Y Juniper takes an already successful formula and refines it even further. With sharper exterior styling, a more luxurious and high-tech interior, improved performance, and enhanced efficiency, it's clear that Tesla is not resting on its laurels. Whether you're a longtime Tesla fan or someone considering an EV for the first time, the Juniper makes a compelling case for itself. It's a stylish, practical, and high-performance electric SUV that continues to set the benchmark in its class. Tesla's commitment to constant innovation means that with every update, the Model Y remains ahead of the competition, and the Juniper refresh is proof of that. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Model Y Juniper. Are these updates enough to keep it at the top, or do you think another EV is ready to take its place? If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth automotive content. Stay charged, and we'll see you in the next video.